Toyota Safety Sense, or TSS, is an advanced suite of active safety and convenience features that has undergone several enhancements since its introduction in 2016, and Dynamic Radar Cruise Control is among its key features. This video will provide a quick overview of how to adjust its various settings through the Settings menu in the Multi-Information display. Dynamic Radar Cruise Control, or DRCC, is an adaptive cruise control system that is designed to be set at speeds above approximately 20 miles per hour. When activated, DRCC uses a camera and radar sensor to judge vehicle-to-vehicle distance to help maintain a preset distance from the vehicle ahead. DRCC or conventional cruise control can be selected by pressing the Driving Assist Mode Select switch. Pressing this switch toggles between the two cruise control modes. To activate, select the mode via the Driving Assist Mode Select switch, then accelerate to the desired speed, and press the Driving Assist switch to set the vehicle speed. To adjust vehicle-to-vehicle distance, when using DRCC, press the Vehicle-to-Vehicle Distance switch to toggle between the four following distance settings. The set speed can be increased by about 1 mile per hour in either mode by a single press of the plus resume switch, or increased by larger increments by holding the switch. Similarly, the set speed can be decreased by pressing or holding the minus switch. To cancel either cruise control mode, press the brake pedal or the cancel switch on the steering wheel. This will turn the system off but retain the last set speed in memory, enabling the driver to resume operations at that set limit by pressing the plus resume switch. However, pressing the Driving Assist switch when cruise control is set switches the cruise control off completely, erasing the memory of the previously set speed. That's a quick overview of how to adjust the various settings found within the Dynamic Radar Cruise Control system. Each Toyota vehicle may differ slightly, so please refer to the owner's manual for specific system information. To learn more about Toyota Safety Sense, be sure to visit toyota.com/safetysense.